Friends, so let's understand, let's also learn the acupressure points for the acidity and gastric issues. So for the picture, what you are seeing here, so very easy to understand, my dear friends. So whenever, so you have in both hands this something called index finger. Okay, there are points here which are indicated here. So the points on the so-called on any hand, so on any given hand, so the index finger, especially on the index finger, if you put it, so there are 3 points. We put like this. There are 3 points at the just beside the nail, and then after that before the middle, and at before the junction. Okay, so there are 3 mudras basically. There are 3 mudras. So there are 3 mudras. Okay, in these 3 mudras, what you are supposed to do is these 3 mudras you are going to do every mudra you are going to press 30 times. 30 times each mudra, each point you are going to press 30 times. One particular point you are going to gently press. Just keep the pressure, then leave it. Please keep the pressure, leave it. And the same way, this point also, keep the pressure mounted, then leave it slowly. Like that. So all these points has to be pressed minimum to 30 to 40 times on each point, my dear friends. So this particular point, whatever you are seeing, these points are related to the large intestine. So when you press these things, what will happen? Your acidity, gastric issues gets corrected. The energy flow will happen properly, then this problem will be corrected, my dear friends. So now coming to the other side, that is on the leg. On the leg, just beside the thumb, the toe. Beside the toe, there is a finger. On this finger, just below the so-called the nail, then 3 points are continuously it is there. These points are related to the liver. Friends, anytime you are getting this acidity and gastric issues, so think that the liver is becoming weaker. When the liver is becoming weaker, you get into these problems. So that is why these points, 3 points, if you activate it, definitely you are going to get the best liver health. Then it is going to make sure that your digestion happens properly. Your acidity and gastric issues will never be there. So please use these 2 points all the time, right? At every point, on every given point, see here on the foot, there are 3 points continuously. So what will happen? You can apply coconut oil for the thumb, then do the gentle massage once on all the points, and then keep pressing with that 30 to 40 times on every point. Keep on pressing. Then it will relieve. It will relieve very easily, my dear friends. So this is how it's going to work. There are many case studies. I'm telling you, believe it and do it. There are many case studies, not one case studies. So many people with I'll tell you one example. 23-year-long constipation person is healed with this. Do you believe this? You can't believe this because you have never tried it. Now try it. 23 long years he has got a constipation problem, but it is cured because of just these 2 points. Just by operating these 2 points without having any other. Otherwise, you were earlier, all the years, you was keep on eating three medicines every day. Allopathy medicines. Nothing happened. No change. But this has cured. Friends, it's very, so we have to, we have to trust our ancient wisdom always, all the time. Okay. So this is what about acidity, gastric, acupressure points.